the Canon Vixia HF G60. This is Canon's latest pro-consumer camcorder. Well, at least they threw in a SD card, I guess so, after giving me that bag. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Included, free memory card, cool. All right, this is what I've been waiting for. I have stepped my game up. I am using a professional camcorder now. All right, what is up, people? Ben Mario here. Thanks for tuning in. Now, usually I don't do an unboxing video of the products that I use for my channel, daily life, whatsoever, so on and so on. But I have to do a review about this new camera that I just purchased. Now, look at this. This is the carrying bag that came with my Canon camera. What is this about? I spent $1,700 for a camera and they give me a bag that's not even the camera brand. Really? Let's see what's inside. All right. The manual. Oh, that's pretty thick. Won't be reading that. Warranty. Let's see what we got in this puppy. Oh, it's piped really nice. Of course, it's Canon. Except for this. Yeah, you know, typical adapter, power supply, hood lens. Oh, this is cool. How convenient. This is gonna come in real handy, remote controller. Now the cool thing about this camera right here, it has a 1-inch CMOS sensor, dual pixel autofocus. I've heard it works really well. Canon is legendary for autofocus, all that good stuff. Records 4K 30 frames per second, which is pretty cool. I don't need to record with 60 frames per second because I want to give that cinematic view with about 24 frames per second. All right, here it is. The Canon Vixia HF G60. So, pretty cool. Even has built-in ND filters. 15 times optical zoom. That's really cool. Also has a built-in 5-axis gimbal. Hybrid gimbal. Intelligent battery. Has a 3-inch articulating screen. Now this camcorder is so user-friendly. This is a professional camcorder. You can have connections for, you know, your XLR microphones. You know, that has built-in mic input, headphone input, HDMI. This thing has so much advanced technologies. I'm not just going to sit up here and list all the features that it has, but those are some of the key features of this camcorder. Right now, that's retail about $619.99, but if you go to Walmart, You can find it on sale for $1,499, and it also includes a memory card. All right. So there it is. There it is. There it is. All right, guys, I'm ready to go try this thing out. And I will catch you on the next video. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and all that good shit. Peace.